Adobe Campaign Standard is now integrated with Hootsuite. This means users can easily pull data and leads from multiple social media channels into Adobe Campaign. The social data delivered by Hootsuite can enrich existing customer profiles in Adobe Campaign or be used to create brand new profiles based on social data. Combining a customer's existing lead profile data with their social media data can help marketers better tailor messaging and content to each customer's journey. Let's walk through how Hootsuite and Adobe Campaign Standard bring actionable social media data into the broader marketing mix. From the Hootsuite dashboard, you can use a social post to create a new Adobe Campaign profile or update an existing one. Let's say you've set up keyword automation in your Hootsuite dashboard so that all incoming social messages that mention your Twitter handle or a certain set of keywords get fed into a dedicated stream. Imagine one of these users is a sales prospect, and you want to get them into Adobe Campaign. Simply click More Actions, then Send to Adobe Campaign. Now, review the information to be imported. You now need to choose whether to create an entirely new record based on this social information or merge it with an existing Adobe Campaign profile. If there aren't any account matches, then just create a new profile. You're also given the choice to automatically keep the campaign record updated with any new social data or interactions. Let's now review this new profile in Adobe Campaign. Under Profiles, you'll find the social information captured for this user. Click the new record, then the pencil icon. The General tab now has all the information you reviewed in Hootsuite. By clicking the social network name, you can drill into this person's interaction history, which is updated regularly. Click into a specific interaction, then copy and paste the link to view it natively. One of the things that makes Adobe Campaign a powerful marketing tool is the ability to make custom audiences for marketing automation campaigns. With the social data you've collected using Hootsuite, you could make a custom audience in Adobe Campaigns. For example, of people who have mentioned your organization on Twitter at least once. Drill into this custom audience to review the number of people on the list and even individual users. You could then use Adobe Campaign to target this custom list with an email campaign. Adobe Campaign also integrates with Hootsuite Ads. Using this integration, marketers can serve paid social advertisements to a custom audience created in Facebook from Adobe Campaign profiles. The flow of information also goes in the other direction. The leads and other social data gathered from the social advertisements are fed back into people's Adobe Campaign profiles. The Hootsuite Ads Adobe Campaign integration also makes reporting more accurate. By linking purchases or conversions back to the paid social campaigns the lead interacted with, marketers can get a proper attribution of how social is supporting sales. Let's say an individual was on a custom Adobe Campaign list and was sent a paid Facebook ad with a promotion. If that individual then makes a purchase, and that purchase is captured in their Adobe Campaign profile, you can draw a straight line between the social ad and the subsequent purchase. Properly attributing how social advertising supports sales is essential for accurately measuring social ROI. Finally, Hootsuite Ads can also act as a conduit between Adobe Campaign Standard and other marketing automation tools. For example, by integrating MailChimp with Hootsuite, you can transfer a contact from a MailChimp list and add it as a new customer profile in Adobe Campaign. Contact your Hootsuite representative for more information about setting up this powerful integration.